Focus. What's up, guys? We just touched down in Narita Airport, Japan. We're back again for round 2 of Japan. We're gonna be here for about a little over 2 weeks. But we thought we'd bring you guys along again, and because I know a lot of people enjoyed that content. Anyway, we're a lot smaller group this time. It's just me, Christine, Kaylee, and Christine's brother Matthew and his girlfriend Aaliyah. This is Aaliyah's first trip, so I know that she's stoked to be here as well. Anyway, they came a bit earlier than us, so we're waiting for them to pick us up at the airport, and then we're gonna head to our hotel for the evening. What the heck? We already missed him. So he has to come back around again. Yeah. Okay, I think we're at a better spot. Oh, look who it is! Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Good morning.
Hello. We are. Okay, let's go. How is it driving a right-hand drive for the first time, dude? It's not too bad though, right? We here.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it's nice.
Can I open the door?
Yeah, that's one. Give me the key. Oh, 951 this way. Okay, guys. So, like I said, we're back in Japan for a couple weeks. We're gonna bring you guys along with us. We're not gonna do too much car content. We're gonna see what we can see, but other than that, we're probably gonna do more touristy things this trip. So it's gonna be a little bit less car drift styled footage like we did last time. But we're excited to be back in Japan regardless, and I hope you guys are as well. I think we're gonna go downstairs right now and get something to eat from the Family Mart, which is kind of sick that there's a Family Mart in this hotel. What time is it right now?
It is 10 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock. We just landed about an hour or so ago, so we are really tired. Luckily, we can get some food downstairs and then come right back up to the room and go to sleep, because we do have a big day tomorrow traveling to Gumo Prefecture, Isesaki. So yeah, anyway, let's go get some dinner. Oh yeah, right there. Let's go.
한숨 쉬지 말고.
Let's go. Jeez, dude. But we all just slept for like a good 2 hours.
Oh,
Yeah.
I felt longer than that.
I need you, boy. I gotta see you, boy. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. I need you, boy. Oh, I gotta see you, boy. Hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. Hey, little mama, ooh, you're a stunner. Hot little nigga, yes, you're a winner. I'm so glad to be yours.
Good morning, guys. It's our first day, our first official full day here in Japan. We're about to leave our hotel for the night here in Narita and head up to Gunma Prefecture. It's about to be 8 o'clock in the morning here. But we're gonna hit the road because we got about a 2.5 hour or so drive to head up to Gunma Prefecture. And we're gonna spend a day up there, maybe have dinner with Mark and Nikki then, and then literally tomorrow we're heading right back to Tokyo to do all the Tokyo stuff. Anyway, like I said, this is gonna be like a road trip kind of a deal, so I'm pretty excited. And yeah, let's get this show on the road, guys. Oh yeah. So mad. Okay, so we're at our first stop along our journey. Places like this make it so much easier because it's literally a rest stop with cheap food, but it's like really good food. And anyway, we're gonna go ahead and have some lunch and then get back on the road. But I'll show you guys a little bit as we get inside this building right now.
We're doing a road trip right now. We're going from Tokyo to Isesaki because we're gonna see our friends, but we just got to our first PA. Let's see, we're in the food court trying to find something to eat. I love pastries. These all look so good. Oh, they also have a Family Mart in here. Let's see what they got. We had a Family Mart inside our hotel, but it was a really small one, so they didn't have the things that I was looking for. This is what I want. This souffle pudding cup. This is so good. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these. 205.
Crazy.
Since it's a PA, there's also a whole bunch of different food vendors and food stalls. So I want to take a look and see what they have. But look at this. This is unagi. And they have bento boxes. It's perfect because it looks like it only has a little bit, so you can just eat a little bit of everything. So at the PA, we also got this unagi sushi, which looks super good. But this is it. It comes with 4 pieces, and it was 1,100 yen.
You're the biggest piece.
Okay, go.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, go for it. What do you think?
Good.
It is?
The mango's good too.
And here it is. This is it. It's pretty good.
What do you rate it out of 10?
I give it a 7 out of 10.
I'm gonna say 7 or 7.5. What the heck is this place right here, man? Some random
What kind of color?
Dream Auto. Look at that. SVJ. Your car was over here?
Yeah, I forgot I parked my cars over here.
Dang.
Dang, what the heck? That's sick. They got more cars tucked back there. What the heck?
All your storage?
It just said I don't have any more storage. What the heck?
Oh my god.
What
I know. So you can't take any more video?
Oh my gosh, I think this used to be like an old go-kart track. So it looks like. There's a go-kart right there. I'm pretty sure this is what it used to be. Huh. That's pretty cool, huh? Oh my gosh. How clean this thing is. What the heck? What the heck? This thing is so clean.
That was the same plan.
So an hour and a half after we left the PA, we are now at Mount Haruna. which is, if you guys know, it's on Mount Akina on the initial D. We came here last trip, but we decided to come again because, I mean, the views are spectacular here.
Oh yeah.
We just unlocked a new part of the map, guys.
I know. We've never been that way.
I'm only doing it because I saw those people.
Matcha 먹고. Hey, matcha. Okay.
She said banana choco oishi.
Ooh.
And then she got her matcha.
Mocha.
Mocha?
Yours looks good.
What'd you
I
get?
like the way she did yours. Oishi.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna take the edge off.
We're in our first Airbnb right now, and this is the first room. It's cool because it has tatami floors, and then these beds are actually really comfortable. But the best part is that you have this view to the garden. So this is the first room. Here's the second room. This is the only room that has the American style bed. And through here we have the living room and a massage chair. We were using that yesterday. And this is the living room. It's cool because this dining table, it has a space that you can put your feet to the bottom. But there's also another view to the garden. This window has my favorite view out. Here's the kitchen. And here's the last room, which also has another view to the outside. We're only here for one night because we went to go see our friends Mark and Nikki. So we only needed this place for one night, but it's cool to stay in a more traditional style house.
So we just reached our Airbnb. As you guys seen, we just got situated. I feel really tired. I probably look really tired. But Mark just hit me up, so we're gonna go see Mark and Nikki for dinner. I think he said we're gonna have Peruvian food. I've never had Peruvian food, but he said it's the best in Guma, so we're gonna check it out right now. Anyway, we're about to head out to exactly where we just came from, actually, and we'll have some dinner. So yeah, let's head out.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't want to say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic.